What's the word? What's the word? You already know the vibes. We are tired. They're fucking Corvetti, you heard? They're fucking Corvetti. Dude, listen. I ain't gonna lie. I'm only excited for one fucking car. I'm only excited for one car out here, you heard? Out of all these cars out here, y'all take a look, take a look, take a look, you feel me? Out of all the cars out here, yes sir, I'm only excited for one car, you heard? Yes sir, what's up, bro? You chillin'?
Yeah, let's go chill.
Chillin'. This is the, listen, this is the goal. Literally, the color matches it, you heard? This is, yeah, this is the goal right here. Yes, sir. I'm trying to see him do some shit, you heard? Listen, this man right here, this man be doing some shit. This is the only man, listen, this is the only man that I have ever seen do a whole 360 twice with no hands. Y'all could do no hands all y'all want. Cause y'all niggas be doing no hands for like a 180. Don't do no 180 with no hands. Nah, do me a whole 360 with no hands, you feel me? Cause my man right here, he does that, you feel me? This right here, yeah. I'ma throw in the clip. Y'all gonna see this. I'ma throw in the clip right here. My man do this shit 360 twice. We outside. We outside, you heard? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. fucking drifting squad of Philly, you heard? Drifting squad of Philly. Let's go! Sheesh.
Hey, Walker on the top, running through the
1, 2, and the purple one y'all just seen. There's another one, but y'all don't know who it is. Okay, I don't know who this is. I'm gonna step right out the fucking pit because I don't know who this is. Yo, it's so cold, bro. Yo, it's fucking cold. It's fucking freezing out here. Yo, bro.
Hey, Walker on the top, running through the
Trying to hit a figure 8 in the zone. Wow. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Holy shit. I'm out of breath. Oh. Bro. Dab me up, bro.
Good, you good?
Dab me up. You killed that, bro. Dab me the fuck up. You killed that. Sheesh. Yo. No cap. This nigga right now got me out of breath. I'm trying to put my mouth in my hoodie. Holy fuck. This is intense. I don't know. Being in the middle of the pit. Being in the middle of the pit ain't no joke. It's a workout. It's adrenaline. Your heart is like beating. It's like being in a fucking roller coaster, you heard? That shit ain't no joke. We outside. You heard? We the fuck outside.
It's cool.
It's definitely cold as shit. It's definitely cold as the fuck outside, bro.
Go, niggas got me blocked in.
Listen, you try.
I'm trying to go.
Yo, it's not no joke, bro. It's cold. My heart's beating fast. But we the fuck outside, you heard? We outside. Show, yeah, a little something, a little something, bro, a little something. Come on, bro. Nothing. Y'all just gonna come over here with these cars and not do nothing? Really? Okay.
No, we trying to get the fuck out of here. They got it locked in.
Is this who I think it is? It's something on this side, bro.
Yeah, it's the bumper.
That shit flapping crazy.
Something definitely going on. It was something flapping, bro. Yo, the inside of the tire is done. The inside? Well, it's not even done. It's like
it's not all the way done. It's not sparking, but it's flat though.
Bro, like, what kind of tire is that? What kind of tire is this? No cat. I don't know. You got cat on that motherfucker. You got cat on that motherfucker.
It's done, but it's not done.
You got. Oh, wait. I can't see. I'm sorry.
No, you good, bro. These Jones had got blood on them and all. You good.
Hey, yo.
From G Street.
Yo, go backwards a little bit.
Back up
I'm
over here,
gonna
bro.
smoke that shit right now.
Stop.
I gotta roll up in the dust.
Oh, no. I was about to say.
You good? Cops coming.
Everything happened for a reason,
Yo, that's how that joint was right there.
Ew, this man hitting the back right. Stop it. Yeah! Oh, whoa. Hold on, slow. Go up slow. Right there. Stop. Where the fuck? Yo, grab slider. We need the scissors. Where the scissors at, bro? I just caught another flat. Where the scissors at?
Pull over this way.